Emerson, can you tell me about the birds? Did you see birds yesterday? What are you doing over there?
Peekaboo! Hey Emerson, tell Mama about the birds. Where were they? Were they in the sky? What do birds say? Chirp, 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 chirp. Well, tell me about them.
Emerson,
Where are the birds? Were they up in the sky? Where did you see the birds? Did you hear them? Uh-huh.
yeah, the birds were up in the sky, weren't they? Yeah, up.
The birds were up in the sky.
Birds. Can you say bird? Good job.
Good job. Can you say it again? Say birds. Can you say birds?
Say birds. Bird.
I know, I turned your guitar off so that we could talk.
Yes, bird. Bird.
Can you say dog?
Emerson, where is the bird?
Emerson, where's the bird? Where's the bird?